What is digital manufacturing and the digital transformation? Is it just 3D modeling, FEA simulation, or is it more than that? We are connected like never before with cell phones, tablets, laptops, PCs, and smart devices, connecting and sharing data through the internet and cloud services, enhancing and enabling us in our personal lives to experience and achieve more. But what about in manufacturing? Do we utilize these same principles and abilities to fully enable our employees to experience and achieve more? Join me, Joshua McBride, in KETIV's Digital Manufacturing Series and find out how to supercharge your business and soar into the new global market of today.